Welcome back. In Lesson 4, we learned about partitions, how a topic is split into smaller pieces spread across multiple brokers. Now we know where data lives. Today we answer who puts data into Kafka in the first place. That is the producer. Let's find out exactly how it works. A producer is any application that sends messages into Kafka. Your website sending an order event, that is a producer. An IoT sensor sending temperature readings, producer. A mobile app sending user actions, producer. Anything that generates data and needs to send it into Kafka is a producer. You already know a broker receives messages. The producer is always on the sending side, always the starting point. When a producer wants to send a message, it follows 3 simple steps. First, it chooses the topic to write to, for example, the order's topic. Second, it builds the message with a value and optionally a key and timestamp. Third, it sends the message to the broker holding the correct partition. You already know no key means round robin across partitions, with key means always the same partition. There is no limit on how many producers can write to the same topic at the same time. You could have 10 producers all sending to orders simultaneously. You already know partitions spread across multiple brokers. So multiple producers writing to multiple partitions on multiple brokers simultaneously. That is maximum parallelism. And messages stay in order within each partition. Nothing gets mixed up. When a producer sends a message, it wants to know, did the broker actually receive it? This confirmation is called an acknowledgement or ACK. Think of sending a letter and waiting for a delivery confirmation slip. The producer sends, the broker stores. The broker sends back an ACK, but how much confirmation do you actually need? That is where the 3 ACKs options come in. ACKs equals 0 means fire and forget. The producer sends the message and does not wait for any confirmation at all. Fastest option, no waiting, maximum throughput. But also riskiest. If the broker crashes before storing the message, it is gone forever and the producer has no idea. Use this only for non-critical data like website click tracking, where losing the occasional event does not matter. ACKs equals 1 means the producer waits for confirmation from the leader broker only. Once the leader confirms the message is stored, the producer moves on. Good balance of speed and safety. Faster than waiting for all replicas, but safer than fire and forget. Small risk remains if the leader crashes right after confirming, but before other brokers copy the message, data could be lost. This is the most commonly used setting. ACKs equals all means the producer waits until every broker holding a copy of that partition confirms the message. Only when all copies are confirmed does the producer move on. Strongest guarantee, 0 data loss even if a broker crashes. The trade-off is speed. Waiting for all replicas takes longer. Use this for financial transactions and payment records where losing even one message is completely unacceptable. That is a wrap on Lesson 5. A producer is any application that sends messages into Kafka. It chooses the topic, builds the message, and sends to the broker. Multiple producers can write simultaneously. Acknowledgements confirm delivery. ACKs 0 is fastest but risky. ACKs 1 is the best balance. ACKs all is the safest. In the next lesson, we learn about consumers, the other side of Kafka. See you at the next lesson.